So in Photos app, once you open up, what happens is that you get video editor as an option. Once you go around and click on this, you get to the video editor side of Photos. So you can go around and click on new video project right here to create a new video project. And you can name this whatever you want. So I'm just going to go around and type in TutorTube and press OK. So right now I do not have anything in the library, but if you want to add in videos or photos, then you can click on add right here and you can choose where you want to bring in the videos from. So I'm just going to say from this PC, and it opens up the Explorer window. So I'm just going to go around and scroll down, go to the TutorTube drive right here, and then I'm going to go around into videos folder. So I'm just going to go to videos folder right here, and here you can see that there are certain number of videos that I can import out. So once I select this, I'm going to go around and open this out, and what happens is that all of the videos are here in the project library. So whatever is there in the project library is just there for preview purposes. It's not actually added in onto the main timeline. So depending on how you want this to be played out in order, you can select out the clips right here. So let's say I want this clip to come out first. I'm just going to go around right here, click and drag this out onto the beginning right here. So this is what you have, as you can see. So there you go, there's the video clip right here, which is in the beginning, as you can see right here. So after that, maybe I want another video to follow out. So let's say after that, I want this video right here. Or maybe I want the video in the beginning. So I can go around and arrange this out in the beginning right here. So now what happens is that this video plays first right here. And similarly, what happens is that the other video plays later on now. So after this, this comes first and this comes later right here. Similarly, you can go around and arrange out the clips however you like it. So I'm just going to go around and then click and drag out the videos right here. Let me just go around, keep it. And what happens is now there is a video edited video right here. So as you play, what happens is that this is the total length, as you can see right here. And as you scrub through the timeline, you'll be able to see other video clips right here. And all will be joined according to the order of videos which you kept in. And you can see that there are various options over here to edit out the video, which we are going to cover it up in later lessons. So over here, now you can see that the video does not have anything right now. It just plays in order according to how you kept it. But if you want to add in a title, then what you can also do is add a title card right here. And a title card is added, as you can see right here. So you can see that this is the title card. You can go around right here. And this is just blank, as you can see. You can add in multiple title cards over here as well. So those are just plain title cards right here. And in title cards, what you can do is you can set the duration of the title card, which by default is 3 seconds. So you can go around and let's say you want to do 5 seconds right here, then you can do that. And then you can go around and work around with the text. So let's say you want an adventure text right here. So I'm just going to go around. There's the adventure text. I'm going to type in TutorTube right here. And then over here, you can see that I can select out different titles according to how you like it. So once you do that, it is added in, as you can see right here. And then what you can also do is choose a background color according to how you like it. You can even choose custom color right here, just like this over here. So let me just go around, press OK, and there you go. There's the custom color. So first of all, what happens is that the title plays out. So there's the title, as you can see right here for the first 5 seconds. And then what happens is after 5 seconds, there is another video clip right here. And as soon as that video clip finishes playing, then another video clip comes up. So that is how you can arrange out videos inside of video editor area in Photos app in Microsoft Windows 11 and add in titles, title cards to the videos so that there's some sort of a beginning. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.